Scooby, huh? Yep. What's that on your collar? That's bird poop. Wait, pero hindi ko yung alam. Oh, that's gross. Good. You should go to a car wash.
Okay.
Yes, and then... Hey, Rubles!
Okay.
Dan na? Is it real? Watch out for her.
Okay.
And then... Wait up! Please shrink herself!
Okay.
And then...
Dan.
And then... Minnie, how is that possible? I got you real good. Please, go cool.
Are you done?
And then...
Let's see. What is this? What is this? This is like a boat.
It's like a CCTV.
Treehouse.
What treehouse?
This is a helicopter. It's a helicopter. Oh, the body of the helicopter.
It's like a mini helicopter.
Hindi ganyan, ganito.
That's gonna.
Galing.
Let's go. Game. Start now.
Start now. What? Peter, don't you know how dangerous it is?
Again.
I'm sorry, but I'm real. Believe me.
Okay. Okay, mami.
He's a lawyer. Okay. Run! The harbor fire was a prank. There's a real fire in the factory.
Ching, ching.
Okay, mami. Okay. Okay. Guess mo lang.
I feel really bad.
Kids, prank calls are mean at best and dangerous
Okay.
at worst. Prank calls
Dana?
are just illegal.
Dana, mami.
Huwag mo muna silip, anak.
Simple when they're not needed. The problem with that is, if there's a real fire, then they can't get to the real fire in time. It's damage.
Guess mo lang.
Guess walang.
So it's life and danger.
Wait lang, anak.
Jim was so mad. We won't prank call anyone.
Okay, Dan. Ito, dalawa to. Wait lang, hindi pa tapos.
Hindi pa tapos.
That's some explaining, Kat.
We're doomed. Huh? What's that?
Guess mo lang, last, Dan. Dan. Ganun lang. Dan. Let's show us. Look mo. Look mo. It's a fish.
Hindi ka na ako boat.
But it's related. Boat and fish. Boat and fish. Si Arden nag-isip niya na catfish daw eh.
Okay. Start here. Dito. Ayun, dalawa. Ito na, daddy. Okay.
Again? Okay.
Ulitin na lang namin para magkadugtong. Ay, sige na nga. Ulit yun, ah.
Parang tumang sa'yo.
Oo.
Okay.
Tapos,
Wala fire.
isa lang to, isa.
Wait lang. Okay, next. Again. Dan.
Inunahan mo kami. Yes. Ready? Set, go! Air balloon.
Balloon. Does it look the same?
Yeah, almost. Mukhang turtle.
Ano ba yun? Ano ko
Sige.
na?
Ay. Wait lang.
Okay.
Are you done? Next, Arden. One by one lang, one by one. One muna. Done?
Dan?
Are you done? Are you done? Last Arden. Ayos mo yan. Yan. Ayan. Are you done? Show us. Look mo. It's a Lego block. It's a Lego block.
Kulang ng isa. Ano ba yan?
It's a Lego block. It's a Lego.